Hey Plastic Model Builders, welcome back. We are doing our new series and it is going to be space themed and sci-fi. We have the ATST, which is right here. Open this up, show you first what's inside. Cellophane bag. Three cellophane bags. Detailed instructions. They fold out just like so. Now you got the decals, which are right here. Not a lot of them, just looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 12 or so stick ones. This first bag we open up here, we have 2 parch trees right here, A and D5. A has a base to it, as you can see, has Chewbacca, which is right here, and then various other parts. I would tell you what they are, but I don't know. So, we have this second parch tree, which looks like hatches right here, as well as our drivers, and more stuff. Why stuff? Because I don't know what they are. This is Spruce C2. Got more lovely details. This is clearly the main body. We've got right here, this is the control deck, clearly, which is on the inside. Don't know how much detail you'll be able to see of that. And of course, more paneling for the outside and the top and the sides. The third bag, we have Spruce B listed right here. You got your legs all right here. Sprue D1. The model has 146 parts with 1 decal sheet and 1 sticker sheet. They're both exactly the same, except one is decals and 1 are stickers. So that concludes opening and showing you what's in this box, our unboxing of the Bandai 148 scale ATST, which will fit perfectly with your 148th World War II fighter aircraft on planet Earth, because this is, of course, in a galaxy far, far away, a long, long time ago, whenever that was. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the like button. Until next time, see ya.